Hi, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to install a hollow wall anchor or molly bolt. These anchors are used to fit items onto plasterboard by lodging into the hole and then expanding at the back to hold them in place. Now there are several ways to install them with a screwdriver or a manual tool, but I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest way there is using a setting tool that is new on the market. The Scell-it E-007 setting tool. It is the first battery operating setting tool for hollow wall anchors, and I'm going to show you just how easy and quick this is. First, I set the dial at the back to the correct depth setting. This is a 37mm long anchor, so looking at the chart I need to go to a setting of about 16. Next, I'll do a quick test at this setting on a spare piece of plasterboard. We have an example piece of plasterboard here with a drilled 10mm hole. I'm going to fit the tool between the screw head and flange and insert the anchor. Quick pull on the trigger to expand the anchor. Release the trigger and the puller goes back into the first position. Now I've released the tool. That's set okay at a good angle. It's nice and firm. That feels good and strong. Now I know the setting is correct, I can start setting the anchors for the real job. Let's do 3 in a row. Okay. First one, set. Second one. And the third one. That's 3 hollow wall anchors set in under 20 seconds, and they're all good and strong because it was set on the same setting for everyone. No more adjustments, no worries. So much time is saved just setting these 3 anchors. Imagine the time saved if you had larger quantities to set. It's not an expensive tool. In fact, it's about a third of the price of an average battery powered tool, but still has many great features such as a brushless motor, work area lights, and the standard Scell-it rechargeable battery. This is an exclusive to Scell-it, so to find your nearest supplier or to stock this item, contact Scell-it UK on the number shown or go to www.scell-it.co.uk.